I see what it's like to live in Jamaica. So I'm going to take on through a day in the life of somebody who moved back to Jamaica. Let's go. Alright, what we're going to do first thing? First thing we're going to do is, see the banana them downstairs. Yeah, banana walk on. Oh, coming out of the backyard, dogs in my bark, had some rain, and what it's like. So what we're going to do is, I'll make some mint tea this morning. That's what we're going to do. So I don't even brush your teeth yet. Up on the ground, cat about the place. And I'll clean up the mint and thing. No, we don't want mint, we want fever grass. Okay. Come clean them, my girl. Want some fever grass tea. And I want some Cersi. Dog shut on the mouth. Come on the back soon on the teeth. And let's get some fever grass and Cersi. So this is what it's like for me living in Jamaica. So the Cersi are on wild, which is good. Yeah, Cersi are going with its thing. Good morning, Cersi. What are going? What you say? Oh, I'm to Antoinette last night. Oh, I hear them rumors there, you know, Cersi. So, you know, just want to look up for you, you know. You say, me, who? Devon Antoinette. You know why you're in your business. Okay, people. So, I could check with lime tree. Lime tree, them alright. Alright, lime tree, them alright. Dog, I will box in your teeth. So then we're going to weed up some grass. Oh, my other lime tree, alright. I will put back the back up on it. And the cayenne pepper them good. Regular pepper them good. Okay, now remember, so we're going to transfer the pear tree now, because the pear tree too big. And the pepper tree, people have to do some work, you know, need to comment and make sure someone call me and say, Randy, you transfer the pear tree. So, see there, this is real Jamaica, okay? So, basically, that is it. So, we're going to make some tea, clean up the kitchen, so we get some pear from the farm. That is it. And we get some banana. I'm gonna make some porridge. We can make it raw with sea moss. That is it. Alright, my people. This is Jamaica Good Life. Still waiting for the good wife. A Marcus gave a woman. Straight. No play thing. Alright, so I'm gonna make the tea, then we're gonna forward, we're gonna do some push-ups and some workout, and we're gonna finish drink with sea moss. See this? We don't have much thing. This. The sea moss drink. I'm gonna do some health time ago. It's a Tyrone there now, cut the banana. Remember, you know, people at Tyrone, you know, to link up when I come Jamaica. Watch yourself in a Tyrone. When I come Jamaica, I don't need somebody to pick up at the airport. I don't need no thief in family, no life. See him there. I only him pick me up at the airport. See the people? Yeah. So Tyrone, you see my shit sharp. Watch yourself, you know. A real farmer. You're not a farmer, you're a real farmer. See the people, that's Tyrone. If you don't want a car for rent, him deal with you now. If you don't want to tour through Jamaica, him deal with you now. If you don't have money and you don't come down and you don't want nobody to rob you, him. Call him. Me tell you now already, you know, the people that I'm around, when you talk about say, Randy, how come you're there Jamaica and you're not dead yet? Because of Tyrone. The thing govern me say. Nothing can touch me out the road because of Tyrone. When you watch the movie them, when you look on the police, when the police pull it over, police say no ticket, a Tyrone. When you don't want to go to the market and you want people to look down and pick on the purse, Tyrone. See the people, this is Jamaica Good Life. Take your time and give them your number.
781 1422 with Jamaica area code 876-781-1422.
Alright.
Yeah,
if you don't want in no trouble in Jamaica, deal with Tyrone. Me say, Mama, I go to me. The man will bring me from the airport and me still alive. Me tell you, people will take money out of a suitcase and say car broke down and then next thing you know, you don't reach home. See, you cut it off, brother. You take off, you take off. Cut it there so. Jaja. See, they will share. Yeah, it's long page this morning too. Boy, yeah man, no picnic in the yard, so you know. The rest of them living it. So wait there, sometimes you see them roast there, a banana. A gross machine?
A ripened banana.
So it's ready for ripe? Yeah. So just put it on, make it ripe?
Just put it on for your ripe. There's something on tie up, you see. Put something on, tie on part.
We can't tie up in the house. You know what I'm saying?
Look at you now. And it's still there, alright.
People?
Then use this one and do that.
Okay.
All the bus on the funny bus. You want my finger the fat.
So even if you're up and so very ripe?
Right, man. Just get something tight. You know, not miss your tie banana right just on the right side.
Nice. This is Jamaica Good Life, not a cub life, a push life, or a shop life. See my pepper there.
Now why you not there?
Come check what in there. I don't show nobody in the house where all the machine them there. They go say, Lord God, Randy, we never know. Say, oi! You mean say you keep the thing them in the back house? Don't say nothing, I joke. So, hey, if they come at the front house, we jump in at the back house. Jugo, 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 jugo. Jaja, live it. So this is how we share our love and care in Jamaica. That's why when we meet Tyrone people, and let me tell you something, when the car broke down, a Tyrone. When the boy them try to rob me, them and then see Tyrone, them say no. So if you don't want safety, woman, you don't want rent car, you don't want drive around, sometimes I'm going to start him do that thing. A Tyrone, I tell you no. Because safety in Jamaica is not top.
No, don't play up here something.
This your place, yeah?
Put your head.
Yeah.
Let it go.
We hang up banana like we hang up hog. I hope the dog no bite my banana.
No, I know bite.
All them cat there.
You're not full on it. You only
So you say this is right, person?
Yeah,
Green, everything.
Anything is right. Gin go gin. And then start right.
Wow, look at this. It look like say we stop kill chicken and start kill banana. No more blood in my backyard, brother.
But you know, say alien there. You know, alien there. Alien them no want nothing. We have meat and sitting here.
The alien them, the alien from space?
Yes.
When they...
And fruits and eat and vegetable, you know.
What you say to me? You see them in your backyard?
You know, man. Then they about, you know, you listen. In Africa, they might tell about them, so they did a long time, because they about long time. Just because say, superpower one hold them.
Oh, okay, I swear I say. Little plants on tuna too. So, I love the choppings.
Yes, man. Superpower.
Like the backyard, because I don't want the machine them drop out. I joke me I make people, I joke me I make. Can you stop it? Stop it. Them say when they run at the front yard, I have to run at the backyard, guys. Hey, people see that this is Jamaica Good Life, not a Cub Life. That's how we live now. We're going to set up the place. But the thing grow up so we can use them things. I know we feed the rabbit with them, yeah? That's why I'm not telling them to walk the backyard. I'm not telling them, sir.
See this? Water grass.
Yeah.
Rabbit them eat this too.
You have pepper in your yard?
Yeah, man. I can't do without pepper. But alright, respect for food.
Oh, you wash them, Mattia? I know the washing machine.
No.
There's a place in Mobile where you can wash them?
Yeah.
What name?
You have a place around Papa. Then do laundry.
Yeah.
In a corner, Ilesa. Them have a place where they do it.
Laundry?
Yeah.
And then wash anything?
They wash everything. They wash everything.
If you see me have a papa tree.
Them are sitting here. You have to eat them. So I know what the food is. The thing about with rabbits, you know, they have a wide variety. And what me tell you, it's a limited to what me already know, or what me know you know.
That's it.
But you see, everything is just can go on YouTube, man. You tell you everything you know. And you know that.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Teach you. And then with them and something, you know.
Yeah.
You're here if you survive off a small amount of things. You understand me? And you know, cost you a lot. And that is the important part of life.
That is it.
You understand? Because if you have to pay for everything, you know, no?
That is it, people.
You can't pay for everything because you pay for everything.
But you know, some lock off the world now. I don't really meet Tyrone. I meet so much people. I don't really want to meet no more people anymore, you know. Brother, that's why I want them to meet you. Forget the safety. I left them lonely still, you know. So I meet Tyrone.
This is it now, you see. You was out there to you around. For sure. You was out there.
With people.
Yeah, man, with people. Because I start finding at the market or grow as a little youth. I interact with people every day. Right? So I kind of have a little idea how people function in one way. So how to deal with them and know your space is very important.
Yeah.
So the idea for your purpose.
Yeah, but you're master. I can't deal with the trickery no more.
No, another trickery. You get around it. Instead of stumbling block in the way, you know, what you do? Either
but we're master. You're master.
Yeah.
I live a life now like a monk in a monastery.
Yeah.
Just I wait for a little man to come near me. But I can't deal with the lies and the deception and alright, my wealth is infinite.
See.
So them know, them say. Them see the river I'm go, them see the food when me eat, them see abundance appear, them see health. When a man say him can live to 100 or live around Randy, them say, but wait.
What's who?
Randy.
Yeah.
Randy, not only is the girl them can live, Randy I go live long.
You can live long.
And when them say when them sick Tyrone and then come around me,
they can get
just the energy, you know.
Yeah.
Them say, but wait, how come I not take medication when me there around Randy? You see the spirit?
Yes, sir.
It's a healing spirit. So then go find out say me's a healer. And make them find out say we can heal. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. So you can extend in life. And we have leaf of life just a bend over when we are walk. Eh? Where them attack say? Eh? Hey Tyrone. Brother, you have to stop by more time. I could do the show, you know, brother. You hear me say? Let me give you some let me give you some tea. Because I don't want to pass and have the tea to myself. No wonder you come to the house, you say, at 4 p.m. you have to get one. You see me get one.
I appreciate it.
That's the last drop of the droppings, right?
See that? Oh.
The last, you see? So you work on the last droppings. That's why you see me hide them from everybody, because... Hey. So when them see me status, them say status.
Yes.
Them say DJ status, them say status. Man, they live and say, you're around there, so you live. Because them see the world.
Well, true.
Infinite. So now watch you now. See that? It's still warm.
Yeah.
Feel that?
Yes.
So now, when you're making tea, Tyrone, because them people that make tea, you just make the water and make the thing soak. Don't
rush it.
Don't cook. No, put nothing on fire.
Oh.
This alone, the hot water, just make the thing soak. No, but God never invent this thing, you so. Yeah?
Yeah.
And about talk about my stove dirty people. Cause everything them see, you know, stove are clean. Let's just drink this and celebrate. Don't drink before me. It's a toast. Now this have a little bit of sugar. So I can't believe some invite you over cause the one sardine me there go bounce, you know. And
solid, you're still solid, yeah.
this is the Jamaica Good Life. People, see, so now this is a fever grass and Cersi. You see? So what I do, I just soak it. This is the right amount of tea. It's not like bitter and you feel it. And then Tyrone, I left that for drink.
Yeah.
When you put when you're hot out the road, you know.
No, man. You come and see.
All right. So Jamaican, see there, see the business there. Cersi and fever grass, little bit of honey, on the rich. You sell a man a big back like this, he must save the back when you come back and he lazy. He don't want to do the Cersi and the fever grass. So he say, yo, Cersi fever grass 500. Oh, me take that. And it's cold, you know?
Yeah.
It's cold. So when you forward a big jar like this to a brother with filtered water, him say, yo, you don't have none other Cersi fever grass. Him drink it for all day. If you drink one of this a day, now, brother, keep the doctor, police, and the bad woman them away.
True that.
So this is my teacup. If you never forward, you know, you wouldn't get none of this.
I'm gonna have a problem.
And the whole world have to know, say, I saw around there live.
You see, so what's happening?
Yeah, all that too.
Yeah, that was me. I was
Because you have supplement.
Yeah, man.
I'm ready for job tonight. Cha-cha.
I saw you going around it. You know, I said, alright, even though other day I call you, I talk to you about the thing then, prior to the feelings that I have, I tell you, say, get the noni, get the Irish mash.
Yeah.
You understand me?
You see that red bag?
I use them, after I use them, fuck me alright.
No more high blood pressure.
No, I have high blood pressure.
No more.
Because I don't have no experience like that.
That's why the people them want to come round me because the red bag. See that red bag there, Tyrone? Hey!
Cool, one.
This have the aqua earth.
Yeah.
It have the arrowroot.
Yeah.
These are the aqua earth. So you're me go set you up. As a brother, I want you to hold that.
See.
Put that in your mix.
Alright.
This have the sarsaparilla. This all I'll put the when I mix it to me the Jamaican chocolate tea. All that good night too. You have to get the tamarind extract from Amazon. Ja. Then you have the charcoal put in it to clean the stomach. You see what I said to you? Then you have to have your the flax seed. Then now you have to have your this right now are your Irish sea moss. This is purple. Got to have your purple. Then you have your maca. Then you have your this a maca powder. Okay, you need that for the man thing. You see? Now this have some honey goat weed and some other things tonight. So now this bag is so why the people them want to know why not the red bag and bird that crow too. But more important, Tyrone, me not get you your multivitamins yet.
Yeah.
But at this me take every day. Now this is Jamaica Health Box.
Yes.
You see it said Jamaica upon it? With their big leagues thing. Them say Marcus Garvey is not real. We say that is a lie. Because we have our own products.
Yes.
This is all natural.
True.
All the B complex you need and some special herbs in it. It's natural, no GMO. This is the Lion Ready performance. If you not take this, you're not ready. That's why I run this so strong. That's how the multivitamins, this is the performance. So you combine these two every day. And then you're up and running, so I won't get you yours.
Yeah, man.
Now this right here, them come to the doctor, you know, this is called the cleanse. Now this is how I have all the berries, them are deep cleaning.
Oh, see.
So now all them things
like
are natural. Some serious berries in there.
Yeah.
So this is where we are now in life. And this is the bag.
Right.
So you take the bag, what you do, in my fridge, you know, I'm gonna be real with you. Look at my fridge.
Hey, Randy.
Let me show you my fridge. You see this?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give you some of this too. You coming? That's why people that don't care running out coming out of the house and say, if you ever go around the yard, you know, hold the cup. He said, Jaja, You mean so we can't go around? Yo, my brother.
You want, man.
Yo, you ever go around the yard, you know? I should have been room temperature, you know, my brother. I say, yo. Yeah. Then me go, me smoke the sea mask in the pot.
Solid.
You see,
Solid.
my king, if you don't have this in your
on,
fridge,
hold on, man.
you're nobody, and a
use
mobile you live.
Cool, man.
See this?
Yeah.
So now you take this now, a mobile you live. So cold water, left it for weeks, no matter.
Yeah.
Then you get some hot water.
Yeah.
Then you dip it in it.
Yeah.
You start bring it to the blender now. They are big spender. Then you start your powder in.
Yeah.
Then you coconut milk.
Yeah.
Ja. And then your multivitamin. You see when you wake up, but you see on my bill.
No, see that one.
You see?
Yeah.
But me now show them still. So now this you about to drink. Let's have cheers. Again, you come around the yard, you know, the club. Oh! So what I drink now is sea moss. Right? Yeah, drink arrowroot. No for the sauce yeah, aqua earth from Jamaica Herbal. 11 different, 5 from the sea. The aqua earth expensive. So these are people who save them money and stop drinking alcohol and waste money for a woman. Every man in a Jamaica, if we don't have this aqua earth, and we make it in a man devil. If we don't have this, and them here, on a nurse and nothing. Because we talk about eyes, everything. So we work out the whole thing. So now, let me show you now. So you see the banana there, and the banana there. So what we do now, we take the real banana, and when we are doing thing, you know, because we're ancient monarchy, we not cook banana, brother. But for the liquor boy, cooking banana for the liquor picnic. We not do the liquor picnic thing, we not cook too much. We not put tea in a pot for boil, just look at hot water. Sometimes we let it soak in the sun. If you're looking at my fridge, this is a perfect fridge. Keep the fridge empty. Now I'm going to take it to the level and show the people so the products them work and everything. So now when you take the banana, you don't cook banana, you're a big man. So you take it now, you peel him, drop it in a blender. Take out the sea moss, boom, drop it in him. You get some of the Cersi, drop it in him. After you make this, you know, you make a whole heap of this, and you keep it in the fridge. So when you do your sea moss, you take the fever grass and the Cersi and you create the base. This is your water. The alkaline water come from Mobile. So this now is the key. Look a bit of Cersi, not overdo it, kind of want to increase the pH too much. You never want to shock the system. Keep the system balanced. And then this fever grass now. And then you dash him in there, so. Put some of your powder in him. This is your base, or coconut milk, or you dip anything. When you get the real cold pressed coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of this. But the most important thing when you say I saw the roots. The roots. Then we throw some roots in it and some slippery end powder. And we'll put some slippery end in it. So the juice here I drink at the Good Life. So this now, you drink this at 11 in the morning. You not eat no breakfast, at room temperature if you do it. You not eat no breakfast. You not do them things there. So now, I have a pear seed in them, cut in half.
Yeah, I know about it.
Dash them in there. So, the most important thing in your life is this. Not your wife, not your kids, not your house, not your car, your blender. If it's not save your money, talk to your family, get a Vitamix, no Ninja. Give it Vitamix blender. This, the collision in this, the more modern ones, this is one of the old ones. The collision cause heat. So you don't need that thing with them cars stove. So everything we can do in this. So when we put the raw banana in this and make it blend for a while. Just amount of heat for touch the banana, for extract what we need. And then me drink it with the sea moss. So banana, sea moss, Cersi, fever grass. Me ting them there so. Boom, 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 half a pear seed. Throw a pepper in there. Always throw a pepper in there, my brother. You throw a pepper in there, and then you go for the cayenne pepper too.
Yeah.
Boom. And your ginger and your garlic. Any mix you want.
Right.
And your honey, whatever you
And
want.
even onion too.
Red onion every day. So when me eat a lot of, I just a sardine, a red onion, or sardine and pepper if me have it, and bulgur. In a real life, I just high grain wheat bread.
Yeah.
Up on the move. You toast it and this is how I live pan.
Yeah.
Right? Me not cook much. Cooking is for little boys.
Yeah.
Prepping is for big man. So nutmeg. So I don't have everything on me, but you have the molasses. No, the sea moss it never soak all the way, so I go soak it some more. But you feel the grain. It tastes the little grain right.
Me blaze just the same.
So
Grain no matter.
when you drink this, you taste, you feel different. The arrowroot will give you energy.
Yeah.
So after you drink this, and you take your vitamins them for the day, brother, you do this for 2 months, because you have to have your red bag.
Yeah.
And you have to get the red bag from us.
Yeah.
And this is the trick, you know.
Yeah.
We're done with food, into nutrients.
That is true. Because when you eat the food, you eat the food to get nutrients.
But not enough.
You understand?
So we say fight the
Because
food.
it might burn away and you just the carbs or the
It's
fat.
too much. Because when you pass out things, you're not supposed to pass out so much.
See.
When a man pass out things, if you're healthy, if you do what me start to know, you're not supposed, in a life, you're not supposed to eat for pass.
Yeah.
That is kind of stupid.
But you say how much days before you normally should go to the bathroom. If you pass a day or two, that's good. But if you go,
Frequent,
yeah,
little bit.
yeah.
When you do little bit, but you're still strong,
Strong,
because of nutrients and the red bag.
Yeah.
So the body consumes all the nutrients, while it has nothing to leave. So now the green banana, when you blend it out and the body can process. The reason why the blender is the most important thing in your life, more important than your wife, because I eat make your wife happy. I eat make the pick them happy. I eat build the house. I eat make the cat.
And the one where you know nothing about life where you're talking. I think somebody
Okay.
it makes sense because I mean, if you want to have life and wealth, first you have to be healthy. Because you can have wealth and you take a stock, you don't have no health maintenance, you're not going to have it. You know, make sense. By having it.
So this week I start back on my red bag regimen.
Yeah.
Last week I left it out for a month or two.
Understand.
To see what my lion ready I go do to me. And my lion ready keep me up and hold me up in case me never have my red bag.
Yeah.
So this alone, when you add it, two of them, so me up, me test myself.
Yeah.
I spent months and months and test myself. But no, I come back in my fullness.
Yeah.
Where when you say everything me have, I must glass. My fullness up on my jaws. My tea, I'm supposed to have 5, 6 of this.
Yeah.
You're supposed to have 5 of this. You're supposed to have your cucumber water. You're supposed to have your ginger water. You're supposed to have your garlic water. You're supposed to have your thyme water. You're supposed to have your...
Because you have
Coconut.
Chinese time.
All right. You're supposed to have your leaf of life.
Yeah.
So you get the leaf, them crush them up and just make them soak in it. pH, not do too much. Don't do too much, not shock the body. Crack the leaf, let them soak in the fridge and the water. Room temperature after. Crack the leaf. Once you crack the leaf, them and just put it in it. The body love it more because it's like, okay, him now, cook him now.
Yeah.
Because once you start change the pH of the body, now, the hormones, you want to balance your hormones, so you don't want to. You see, when you see them people that cook herbs and them are going with foolishness, watch them. So now they get high blood pressure. You see them too high and them eyes are bulge out. Because everything in moderation. The herbs don't expect you to cook them, just soak them. Some more time people boil tea. Anybody say a boiled tea, they don't have no sense. They don't have no sense. Hot the water, pour it on the herbs.
No, I'm not listening properly because I mean, when it makes sense, it makes sense.
Okay. Hot the water, pour it on the herbs. What else you want to take out of it? Just take the essence out of things. Don't take out everything in it. Because if your hormones are off balance, you can bring so much herbs and it off balance your hormones. So now this in its state now, we look at honey, look on that. That is perfection. You see how it kind of look? Nice. You boil it too much, it start get dark. A thick chemistry. And that will mash you up eventually. And it will mash up your gut. Because you don't want to make your gut unbalanced. Remember I said everything outside that we have chemistry in my king. Everything out here is a chemical. So nobody thinks that it because look pretty and green. It means that, everything good for you, If you don't know what you do, if you don't know, so me take it. All right, you see the pepper leaf. When you season your chicken, you see once you crack the pepper leaf and soak it in the water and drink that, okay. Any leaf you just crack it, soak it in the water, drink it. That is it. You see them one here? You crack them. Soak them in the water, drink
I see my daughter though.
it. Them can eat it.
Yeah. She come and she pop it off. And I said, Mommy, I ain't come to. And my feet said, you would have feel. And one time he squeeze it and she squeeze it. This kind of funny taste.
Yeah.
And she comes up. And she look at me. And I said, she just 20 months.
Yeah.
And she's doing that. Some kids will say, no, and spit it out.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
She eats as much as she wants and she stop.
Yeah.
You get me?
What you eat for breakfast more time?
More times, like, it depends. Because, what is available.
All right.
Understand me? Because, my space, family, and not earning as much.
Yeah.
You understand? You really have a damn.
But get the sea moss bread in.
Yeah. But you did tell me, I do get it. I may have, my last amount I use, I must about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So I need to go back to the market to get some more from the source. Or now from when I get to go fishing. When I go fishing now, I can try the seafront. Because now you by that time when you tell me, which is not like me to know about it, because my mother used to
sell it.
Not really sell it, but she used to buy it and use it to make drink and things.
Yeah.
As a kid growing up. So it's not like I'm not aware of it. But just now be able to go use it purposefully. Yeah. They go and get the things like that. So now you really put her down and me to do that more and every day put it back. Drink first.
Yeah. So you hear me I said, you see now breakfast is really just your shake. You're 70+% water, then the only thing you're not supposed to be eating breakfast. When someone asks you, what do you eat for breakfast? It's a trick question. They should ask you, what do you drink for breakfast? Eating anything for breakfast, don't let it digest by 4 o'clock. Or you're going to get it by 4 o'clock and you need it. When you have the Vitamix blender and you drink this, by 12, you get it in your system. So people, how much hour then? It take a while. 3 to 4 hours. It takes to circulate your body food. So then if you take 16 hours to digest something good, well, you eat breakfast. That's why they God give you fruits. By the time you eat the fruits, it's in the system. Yes, fruits easy to digest. So when you see people cook breakfast, another stupidity. Them the teacher say, when you say we have fried things for breakfast, I cut out the egg. Cut it out, brother. I cut out the egg because I have the red bottom. You see me? So my life now, my perfection, I have my red bag. I have my multivitamins. I have my bush them in the backyard. See this? And then now, me not eat nothing yet. And for lunch, see me one little sardine there with some bulgur. You can soak the bulgur with lemon. And then now you soak the bulgur with lemon. And you can also blend the bulgur with the sea moss. After you soak the bulgur with lemon now, you have to cook the bulgur. Remember, if you reduce the cooking, stomach will go down, energy will go up, no mucus, pure energy, no blood pressure problem, no diabetes. Anything you prepare, if it's more than 15 minutes, you're done. 15 minutes is the max. The sardine is pre-cooked. So in your life, nothing for prepare. So that stove they lonely now. The banana green, boom, in the blender. Everything going in the blender. So when you drink that in the morning now and eat a salad or sardine or red onions for dinner, and cucumber water-based food, and then you eat the pumpkin raw, you get your pumpkin juice too, with the ginger and thing, you must have raw pumpkin skin, gut, seed, strain it, put it in your fridge, room temperature in the morning. If you don't get your pumpkin shot in the morning, and pumpkin are the cheapest thing in the world, why not? So you must have these glass container with your pumpkin juice, and you feed the picnic them. Sweeten it so they know a pumpkin juice that they give you every day.
Yeah.
So that is your porridge now, a pumpkin porridge. Put some banana in there too. And the sea moss. It's when you drink that, man, then you get the cucumber. So we are talking chocho, yam not for eat, potato not for eat. Because your finger was not made to dig. Your finger was made to pick. Your hand, God never invent finger for dig. We're not diggers. And because they did have some problem in Africa one time, and we had to go underground for stuff to eat. Because there was a storm. But God intended us to reach or to pick up from the ground. God did not intend us to cook. So anybody say cooking too much, they're not godly. So don't become a godly person. You me not pick pear from a tree, you know, me walk on the tree and me pick it up. When it's ready, it will fall. Jackfruit, you will smell it. Breadfruit. When it's ripe, you can blend it. You don't need to roast it. You don't need to cook it. Banana ripe, you don't need to cook it. Avocado ripe. You see what I say? God coconut. God intended us, and we live in the garden and we act like we're full. So Jamaicans are the biggest dummies and ungodly people in the world. Because guess what? We get the river, we get the sea, we get the food them for free, and we are cook so much. We hog food, live it till we have enough. When you see the rice and peas, we kill the peas and then we resurrect it. Whenever you cook it and it come in your system, your body say, yo, what did you just eat? And some gungo peas and say, no, the enzyme is not the same. Then the body trigger the mucus soldiers. And once the mucus soldiers them coming out, that is it. You've been having an allergic reaction for 40 years and you never knew. So we're allergic to food. Because the body, you're alive to the body.
Yeah.
You're a lying Jamaican. Because we are cooked too much.
Yeah.
And the reason why we're cooking so much is because Mr. Jones, them did pour, and then Mass Ren have smoke. And anytime you say smoke, there's money. Yeah. So them say, yo, Mass Ren a cook. Sitting there in a fire. Things are going. Yeah. So we like compete and a cook in the village because if sitting there on stove, something are going. So if you not see no fire over Mass Ren yard for 2 weeks, you say, well, go on, a long time, we don't see no smoke. Mass Ren now, well, go on. So we start teaching the students and say, look, there's food above ground and there's food below ground. The water-based food that's below ground. You talk about the onion. Some carrot, a man-made, but arrowroot. Ginger, water-based food. Measure the amount of water. Potato not have enough water. Yam not have enough water. Cassava not have enough water. They not eat. And too much carbs. If you can't eat it raw, not touch it. Poison. Bad for the body. Not touch it. We are slaves doing slave things because we don't have the knowledge. Yam not for sell. Peanut not for eat. We say, certain things look on the